In today's video, we're going to explore how to change the calendar color on your iPhone. Color coding your calendars is a great way to visually organize and differentiate between different types of events, making your schedule easier to navigate and understand. Let's get started. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Calendar app. Ensure that you're signed in to the iCloud account or other calendar account for which you want to change the color. Tap on the Calendars tab, located at the bottom of the screen. This will display a list of all your calendars. Find the calendar whose color you want to change and tap on the I button from the right of the calendar. This will open the calendar's settings page. Tap on the color option located under the calendar's name. A color palette will appear. Choose the desired color for your calendar. Once you've selected a new color, tap on the back button. Tap on the Done button located in the top right corner of the screen to save the new color. The color of your calendar will be changed immediately. If you have multiple calendars, you can repeat the above steps to change the color of each calendar. Color coding different calendars helps you quickly identify and distinguish between events from different sources or categories. And that's how you change the calendar color on your iPhone. By assigning different colors to your calendars, you can easily create a visual system that makes your schedule more organized and visually appealing. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.